Hey designers, in this tutorial, we're going to animate a car's movement quickly and easily in Adobe After Effects. Here's the setup. I've got 3 layers, a body layer for the car, and then a front tire and a back tire layer. The first thing you want to do is parent the front and back tires to the car body. You can do this by using the pick whip tool. Grab the pick whip from the front tire layer and drag it onto the body layer, then do the same with the back tire layer. Now, both tires are linked to the body. Select the body layer, press P to bring up the position property. Then, select both the front and back tire layers, and press R to bring up the rotation property. Drag the pick whip from the rotation of the front tire and drop it onto the position of the body. Repeat this for the back tire, linking its rotation to the body's position as well. Now, when we animate the car's position, click on the stopwatch icon next to position to create a keyframe. Enable motion blur for all the layers. Move the playhead a few frames forward and shift the car's position to the right. Now, if you scrub through the timeline, you'll see the tires following the car's movement. Finally, to smooth things out, select both keyframes, press F9 to apply Easy Ease, and that's it. You now have a clean car movement animation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Ace Designs.